is a 1-bed, 1 living room apartment, 1 bed, 1 bath. And at the entrance, you step down into this apartment, and here is what you see at first. There's something like a closet storage here, and you get to the kitchen. Don't mind all the stuff, we're just moving in here, and we bought some stuff. It's got stainless steel appliances, and right next is the living room. So it's an open concept living room. You can see it's not so wide, but I believe it serves the purpose. It's wide enough, not so wide, not so tiny. So here's the living room. And before we go to the room, let me show you. Okay, so this is the electrical space. I think the water heater and the furnace. It's just at this corner. And right here is another storage space. And this is the room. So we've got everything. We've got things on the floor because we just moved in here. It's decent size bedroom with closet, right? And next is the washroom. Let me turn on the lights. Here's the washroom. It's decent size washroom, And right here we have the washer and dryer, So the washer and dryer is in the apartment. You don't have to step outside, to the laundromat or anywhere, So what do you think? This place rents for $1,050, so $1,050 monthly, plus utilities. So you're gonna have to pay utilities if you're renting out this kind of place, and it's for just a little bit above 1K, $1,050. What do you think about it? Do you think it's a good price for the space? Let me know in the comment section below.